A quick recap from last episode. We put to use everything from lesson 1 and 2 to model this cupcake by hand. Now let's see what we can do automatically. In the little wrench icon, we get to add modifiers. Modifiers transform our objects without changing what you've already made. They can be easily edited, added or removed without damaging your work. With them, you can mirror, distribute things in an array, smooth objects with the subdivision surface, and bend objects at will with the simple deform modifier. For the cupcake, we will add a subdivision surface to smooth things out. Just don't go crazy with the subdivisions, 2 is enough. This will add some more geometry to the model, which is useful for the next step, which is adding a displacement modifier. The displacement modifier pushes faces based on the values of an image. Dark values will push the geometry in and brighter values will push it out. So let's give it one of the built-in textures. For this, I would use either the clouds or Musgrave. It looks scary now, but if we adjust the displacement strength from its settings and make sure it is just subtle, and maybe play with the size of the texture, we can get a nice organic look for the cupcake. Feel free to experiment with what the other modifiers do. Just remember some depend on the pivot of the object. Others need a model that has subdivided faces, and some transfer only information for the model that can be used in more complicated workflows, so you might not see any effect from them. Just make sure that you experiment either on a new model or in another file. In the next episode, we will explore some more things we can do both in object and edit mode. Also, if you have skipped some of the previous steps but wish to follow along from here, you can get all the project files for this tutorial series from the link in the description below. I'll also be adding some bonus videos in there if anyone wants to speed up their learning process. Subscribe for more tutorials and see you in the next episode.